I think I just learned the funniest feature in all of Roblox. You know when you go to change your volume in Roblox settings, right over here? I actually didn't realize that before, but when you go and change it, it actually makes a pretty fun sound. Listen to this. Like out of every single sound, they decided to use the death sound. Like, why? Why? Just you had so many different possibilities, so many different choices, and you decided to go with the death sound. I mean, it is pretty iconic, but still. Why the death sound?